Hello, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 1 Mark V. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. At the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change image quality settings between creator mode, standard mode, auto creator mode, real-time HDR drive, video image enhancement, and full screen preview. Then we can adjust white balance, refresh rate, change brightness level manually or via adaptive brightness. Then we can adjust display size and font size. Also you can enable or disable bold text and high contrast text. Next, you can change display mode between dark and light and schedule the dark mode. Then you can manage lock screen preferences like always show time and info, enable new notifications, change clock mode on the screen lock, enable or disable lift to check, tap to show lock screen, wake up display on key press, set lock screen message, show wallet, show device controls, control from lock device, and show notifications. Next, you can change sleep timeout between 15 seconds and 10 minutes, enable or disable auto rotate screen, one-handed mode, enable or disable smart backlight control, night light, prevent accidental operations with screen off, and in the end you can enable or disable screen saver. And that's basically it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.